Now, we know that biology is divided into many branches and that it is used in many industries. But what are some of the practical reasons behind studying it? What's in it for you? Firstly, biology allows us to better understand ourselves. For example, you probably experienced weird changes in your body. Suddenly, you had hair growing everywhere, and your sleeping patterns changed. Those were caused by the release of hormones to start puberty. Biology allows us to understand how it works so we don't think that something is wrong. Biology can help us to answer fundamental questions, like where did life begin? Was it God or evolution? Even things like migration or hibernation were discovered through different branches of biology. In a big sense, it gives us a much-needed answer about the way the world works. Studying biology also allows us to perform different professions, like becoming a doctor or become an engineer. It will even help you if you want to become a chef or an environmentalist. You'll be amazed at how useful biology can be to your career. Even beauty therapists and hairstylists need a basic understanding of biology because our skin and hair are living tissue. Then there are times when biology can be used on a large scale. If there are food shortages, biology can be used to discover more efficient sources of food. Even pollution can be dealt with by finding ways to eradicate the pollution. Another important use for biology is the branch that is called pathology. This is the study of disease and how diseases function. Did you know that between 1918 and 1919, the Spanish flu killed between 50 to 100 million people worldwide? That's more than most war casualties. If it wasn't for pathology, which is a branch of biology, scientists would have never been able to stop the disease. So you can see, biologists are superheroes too. There are also small-scale uses for biology. It can teach us about what food to eat and how to build an effective shelter. This may sound obvious, but it's only by understanding body temperature and how our bodies work that we know what we need to eat and how we need to rest. And finally, we have probably the most exciting part of biology, investigating. We use a scientific method in biology to discover new things. By conducting experiments, we learn useful facts about the world. This part of biology also includes expeditions into unknown lands and fieldwork. A great example would be the coelacanth. It is a fish that was believed to be extinct for 66 million years. But in 1938, it was discovered off the west coast of Africa, alive and swimming. So as you can see, biology is a very useful subject for a number of reasons. It teaches about ourselves and our bodies. It answers fundamental questions about life and existence. It provides us with knowledge to perform a multitude of different professions, including ones that don't seem scientific. It allows us to address large-scale environmental issues like pollution, food shortages, and disease. It teaches us the basics of living, eating, and taking shelter. And finally, it teaches us the scientific method, so we can conduct experiments to discover new things, as well as go on expeditions and do field work. It's a wonderfully diverse and complex subject, and it's useful everywhere you go.